Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, Muhammad Asrul bin Azhar. The metric number is 269966. So today, our group 3 will present about our assignment, which means in management. So I will let my friend be the first presenter. So let's proceed.
Good morning, Doctor. Today, our group would like to present about the importance of management in organization. First, what is management? Management can be defined as the process of administrating and controlling the affairs of the organization, irrespective of its nature, type, structure, and size. It is an act of creating maintaining such a business environment wherein the members of organization can work together and achieve business objectives efficiently and effectively. While the definition of organization is a social unit of a people that is structured and managed to meet a need or to pursue collective goals. All organizations have a management structure that determines relationship between the different activities and members, subsidize and assign roles, responsibility, and authority to carry out different tasks. Organizations are open systems which they affect and also affected by their environment. Organization management defined as process of organizing, planning, leading, and controlling resource within an entity with the overall aim of achieving its objective. The organization management of business needs to be able to make decisions and resolve issues in order to be both effective and beneficial.
Hi, my name is Nur Umira binti Azizan. Metric number is 270131. Our mission is to create confidence and happiness through our brands and action, and to create value and make a difference. Okay, our vision is become among the top beverage business in Malaysia. Our brand have been synonym with refreshment, fun and flavor for generation, and our sales are poised to keep growing in the future. The objective is to be globally known as a business that conduct business responsibility and ethically, and to accelerate sustainable growth to operate in tomorrow world.
Assalamualaikum. I'm going to present about our organization POLC, which is planning. Okay, my name is Muhammad Mirun bin Saleh. Number metric is 269954. Okay, the first one is going to be mission and vision statement. Okay, our mission is the organization mission is to inspire moment of optimizing and happiness through our brand and action, and to create value and make a difference. Our organization vision is to be the best beverage business in Malaysia. Our brand has been synonym with refreshment, fun and flavor for all the generation, and our sales are poised to keep growing in the coming future. Okay, the next one is going to explain about SWOT analysis of planning. Okay, the first one is strength. First, product various type of beverage such as carbonated drink, mineral water, fruit juice, and tea. Alright, it can attract consumer and customer of all age. Next, the Season brand is also synonym with high quality and halal compliant product that is trusted by generation. Next, the company is strongly tied to music, concert and sporting event. Major sport teams are currently sponsored with this season product. A lot of young people like to watch sport as their entertainment. So it is it is easy to reach younger audience. and attract them to buy our product. Next, as SWOT is weaknesses, which is water is a limited resource in many parts of the world, and we are facing unprecedented challenge from over-exploiting as well as raising demand for food and other industrial products whose is also manufacturing that require water. Okay, the next one is the opportunities. Okay, the company can easily work on alternative to make the health conscious crowd happy. Right. For the opportunity, we can create the beverage with the health flavor, so we can attract all age to come and buy our product because a lot of people nowadays want to buy something that they can eat and they can drink that is healthy. And for example, flavor the juice with stevia, a sugar replacement. Nowadays, there's a lot of drink with no sugar, such as Coca-Cola. So we can make that as our opportunity to make a beverage with low amount of sugar, so the beverage can be healthy. Okay, so the next and the last one of SWOT is track. Okay, core soda offering that includes high amount of sugar or diet with artificial sweeteners have fallen out of favor with buyers. Customers continue to boost their knowledge of proper dietary requirement and exercise program. The last one is many health professionals have called for the eliminating of food and beverage containing lofty amount of sugar, since this product place individual in the risk of becoming obesity, developing diabetes and suffering from the heart disease. It can be a threat to these people and our company because because they want a product is health required. So by having negative thought or perception of this beverage by public, it can be a threat to the company. And then I'm going to explain about business level strategy of the company, which is formulating business level strategies. For we focus on low cost strategy despite of differentiation. Okay, we can produce our product with lower price compared to the other competitor. I'm sorry. Okay, for example, we can sell our drink with only RM1, so customer will buy and compare our cost with the other business, so they will like to go to the lowest cost as possible. And then the next one is formulating corporate level strategies, which is expand our business into an international market. Diversified market present allow the organization to be better and ride global market wave to the next level. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Izdiha bin Muhammad Ramzi, metric number 270068. I will present my part, that is organizing. Okay, as we know, organizing is a second principal managerial task, which is a structuring working relationship so organization member interact and cooperate to achieve goal. So, the season company has so many employees working around the world. There are 5 hierarchy level at the corporate level, which is CEO, top manager, middle manager, first line manager, and worker. Besides that, there are 6 middle manager under the top manager in the season company, which are human resource manager, marketing manager, finance manager, production manager, quality manager, and admin manager. So, some steps are taken by the season company in organizing the company to achieve the goal and objective. The first step is departmentalization. The season company divide into different department. Production department, industry relation department, sales and marketing department, human capital department, and finance department. Every department perform different tasks according to department specialization. Second step to organize the company is job specialization. The season company believe that the worker who specialize will become more skilled at their specific task, and as a group, we're thus able to produce a product faster than group of workers who each perform. Because of this, every worker in factory have their own task to produce the product every day. The third step is organize the goal and objective is delegation and accountability. Delegation is a concept when CEO specific task to manager along some power to take decision. When delegation is done by CEO, it give the manager decision making power, certain responsibility and accountability for certain tasks. Next step is organize the goal and objective is resource allocation. The season company will give the authority to the manager to use resource of the company wherever and whenever they are need, when they are used resource efficiently, and the reason to apply the resource is suitable. The last step is to organize a goal and objectives in organizing the human resource. The season company will do the recruitment process when there is position empty, and the recruitment is always done on permanent basis in general headquarters of the season company. The season company will recruit the worker whether or not have the experience but willing to learn everything. In conclusion, the organization structure and step that taken by season company to organize the goal and objective of the company will make the company achieve the goal faster and efficiently, and can trust by every generation in the future. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi Doctor, you me again, right? So this time I will explain about leading. Because of what? Because I am a leader of group 3. So I will tell about leading in POLC. So what is leading? Leading is a leader must make his team member work in unison toward a common objective. He is the one who to decide what would be right in a particular situation. So what is leading in the management meaning? Leading is articulating a clear vision and energizing and enabling organizational members so they understand the part they play in achieving organization goals which involve managers using their power, personality, influence, persuasion, and communication skill to coordinate people and groups. There are some ways of leading used by the seasoned company. So the first one, how to lead company is leadership style. In the seasoned company, the CEO and the top managers responsible for making major administrative decisions, while every department manager are responsible for leading and directing the employee to measure the work finished in a good condition. So I proceed to second way. Second way is motivation. Yes, the seasoned company always motivate the employee to the work by promotion, business, compensation plan, salary package, since opening, and will continue to motivate them in the new ways. The seasoned company always believe that competition between the employees itself are also used to motivate the employees. So the third way is communication. So the communication is very important part. Because of what? The season company plans to create an open environment through internet to discourage barrier among all the employee. Through this platform, the employee can easily approach the managers in any problem and can solve the problem quickly. So the managers can learn more about the status and the problem of the employee. Besides that, the way how to lead the company is leading. The CEO and the managers of the seasoned company will always try to understand the condition and problems of the employee and also know about the feedback of the customers about the product, so the company can produce a higher quality and environmentally friendly product to the customer and also to the society. And lastly, the way to lead the company is be humble. Always be humble. The CEO and the managers acknowledge when the employee make a mistake, then allow them to learn from the mistake. We must learn from the mistake. Okay. When the CEO and the managers are humble enough to share their obstacle and the way to overcome those obstacles to the employee, it can comfort them and give them some suggestion to overcome the obstacle. So in conclusion in the leading as the third principal managerial task to let every employee know clearly about their role to achieve the organization goal and try the best to achieve in a good condition. Thank you. That is my part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Lin Run. Today I will explain about the controlling part, control system and IT and organization control system. About control system and IT have three types, which is feed-forward control, concurrent control, and feedback control. About the feed-forward control is the control that allow those managers to anticipate problems before they arise. For example, our company manager will teach those workers how to use the machine while produce beverage. So this can prevent the workers operate it wrongly. Our company also let the employee to attend the training or seminar to let them more understand the responsibility of the position. About the concurrent control is the control that give manager immediate feedback on how efficiently input are being transformed into output, so manager can correct problems as they arise. Season also employs designer or R&D engineer in identifying and solving the problem of the product, so we can innovative on it to reduce the cost and can be more satisfied our customer, such as do some innovative on the old machine so it can speed up the time to produce each bottle of the beverage. It can also save the times and also lower the cost. The third one, feedback control. While our customer do a feedback that dislike or unsatisfied, of our product, so we will do some corrective action if necessary. For example, while the customer be more alert about the obesities, diabetes and other healthy issue, we will use stevia instead of sugar or syrup in producing the beverage. Okay, about the organization control system, have one, which is behavior control. The direct supervision. Since we are a beverage company, so we need to control and take care strictly with the product. So our company has list some rules that used to be confirmed. For example, the employee must wash their hand before operating those machines, so the product can be safely used. While the employees have done mistake, we can put it right quickly. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Nurufadia binti Abdul Aziz and my metric number 270163. In conclusion, to achieve the company's mission and vision, a good management system is required. A good management system can improve the company's performance and quality. Our potential will attract people to invest in our company as we have to demonstrate our ability to profit in the future. An important element of management is planning, organizing, leading and controlling, POLC. A company must determine POLC before they start a business, as there are guidelines that show us a clear direction to achieve the goal smoothly. We can use limited company resources to achieve our goal as we recognize our strengths, weaknesses, opportunity and treat through POLC. This helps us make plans to mitigate the risks that may occur in the future to mitigate the damage our company may face. Therefore, the management system is essential to success and the company must plan to the POLC in detail in order for the company to continue operating in the future.
Hello, tell me again. So, in a company, we must have a leader and a team member. If we don't have each two these two items, there's no company. So these two items must have to cooperate with gently. So that's all from our group 3, doctor. So we hope that you understand what we presented just now. So I want to thank to my friend who want to participate in this presentation. So thank you, doctor, and selamat berjaya.